A large city cannot function if every district makes independent decisions. So, the city depends on one central authority to coordinate everything properly. That central authority is City Hall. And in Kubernetes, the control plane plays the same role by managing how the entire environment operates. Whenever citizens need approvals or services, they enter through the City Hall reception desk, just like every Kubernetes request first reaches the API server. The city archives preserve every approved plan and official record, and Kubernetes relies on etcd in the same way to remember the cluster state. When a new housing project arrives, the city planner chooses a district with enough land and resources, which is exactly how scheduler selects nodes. If construction drifts away from the approved design, then inspectors step in to restore order, just like the control manager constantly corrects the cluster state. City officials communicate with departments through an official command system, and Kubernetes administrators interact with the clusters through kubectl. While City Hall makes decisions, the actual businesses and services operate inside local districts, which represent the worker nodes in Kubernetes. Each district has a local supervisor who ensures buildings operate correctly, and kubelet performs that responsibility on every Kubernetes node. Construction workers cannot begin until machines and tools start operating on site, just like containers rely on the runtime to begin execution. A city would collapse without traffic coordination between districts, and Kubernetes depends on Kube-proxy to route requests to the correct destination. So the process becomes simple. The request enters the city hall, the planners decide placement, and the district receive instructions to begin work. The local supervisors then activate operations in their districts while traffic systems ensure citizens can still reach the right services smoothly. Because every department focuses on one responsibility, the entire city stays organized, reliable, and capable of handling constant activity at scale. And that is why Kubernetes architecture feels less complicated once you stop viewing it as infrastructure and start viewing it as a functional city.